In this video,
jump, jump, roo, run.
hello everyone, welcome to Game Experiments Diary. I am Yash from Game Developers Diary, and today we are going to mess with speech recognition. So let's begin. So I will say the words like run, jump, back, and well, the player will do what I say. So now I am going to open up Unity and let's see what I do. So I started off by adding a glowing square because boy, everybody loves glowing squares. Then I added some squares for the background. And you might be wondering, why am I adding squares? It's because I don't want to draw sprites. This is an experimentation and I want to make it as quickly as possible. This is not related to me being too excited. So then I made some platforms, then I made the background, did some epic coding, smashed my keyboard a bit, and there you have it. The speech recognition is on.
Hello everyone, welcome to Gaming with Game Developers Diary. And now I am going to play test the voice recognized game. And let me raise my hand so that you know I am not holding anything. But first I'll have to start the game. Just a second. Okay, so let's play the game now. Jump. Jump. Back. Jump. Jump. Back. 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 Hello. Back. Jump. 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 Run. Back. Jump. Back. Back. Anyways guys, voice recognition is cool, but if you want to put it in your games, please be very careful because it might happen like me and then the players might become very frustrated just like me. Anyways guys, now I'll be showing some footage where it actually listened to my commands. Jump. 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 Roo. Run.
Anyways guys, it works sometimes, not always. I was absolutely frustrated after this. I just wanted to take that glowing square and crush him, but will I call this experiment successful? Yeah, kind of, because it did listen to my commands sometimes. So anyways guys, that was it for this video. If you like the channel, consider subscribing and bye.